Let's make chestnut and mushroom lentil stew. This is part of a series of special Christmas recipes that can be made without an oven. You will find the menu as well as the recipe featured in this video down in the description box. In a large saucepan, sauté the chopped onion in olive oil for about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Stir in the diced carrots and sliced mushrooms and cook for 6 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the cooked lentils and chopped chestnuts and stir well. Next, add the tomato paste, vegetable stock, tamari, balsamic vinegar, thyme, rosemary, salt and pepper. Bring to a gentle simmer, cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. Adjust salt, pepper or herbs as needed. For extra richness, drizzle a touch of olive oil before serving. Spoon the stew into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley. Enjoy!